Hello, Jose Carlos. Well, you have seen that the situation in our country is very complicated, right? Well, but according to what you think, who do you think were the ones who received help mainly? Who do you
Um,
think?
I think that in first time that the situation is very bad, is awful, sad. The principal person I think is affected the homeless, the people live in provinces
Yes,
is 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 my in my opinion.
yes, I think the same because well, I think that the mainly people who receive help now is the low income or homeless, no? Because these people have less resources and well, they need help, and I think that the government think in their persons principle. But well, and another case is that well, the people receive help, but what sort of help do you think that they receive? For example, um, in those areas, the communities have well have programs where each other helps. What what do you think about that?
Well, I have observed something similar more in the provinces where the coronavirus has attacked very aggressively, also due to the lack of medical attention and the lack of interest of the state. I thought the same population has tried to support itself by sending supplies such as food and the other provision.
Yes, then the municipalities do the same. Well, the municipalities are doing programs where they give money, the clothing to the homeless. For example, Bellavista is a municipality that I remember that do that. Uh, Another is that how the people can can get involved in lending a helping hand. For example, in my case, I think that the communities do activities to be able to collect funds, money, money, clothes, and others, where whoever wants to can participate and will support the morality as with objects that they may need. I think. And what about you? What do you think?
Well, I think in first case, the states only offered the UCI beds because the health system is our country's deficit. Private organization trying to help people by giving them some kind of medicine to combat this virus. They even sent them supplies. For my part, I have not been able to volunteer of this cause due to my lack of resource and time. No.
Yes, yes, yes. I think that I think the same about the private, no, the private programs. Uh, well, this is well for our country, right? Because the help, whoever want to help is it's okay. I think I think that is well received. And another is that if you were in a volunteer, maybe, no, how how do you help to people? How do you what the way that you help the people?
Well, if I a volunteer, maybe I will be a promoter of this foundation to help people who were infected by the coronavirus. Um, I maybe give medicines, provisions, and maybe I don't know, a contract a nurse for this service of the people infected.
It's very interesting that you said. Well, in my case, I think I know that there are some mothers who find it very difficult to go to work because they have no one to leave their children with. And well, so I think that it could be a way to support them, or well, a donation maybe, or programs we can we can give more money to these people. And well, give help. I think. Well, and so, thank you.
Uh, um, Thanks for Andy as, share your history.
Mhm.
It's interesting and fantastic. Thanks.
Okay, thank you.